Wema is the Senior Director and Global Head of Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion at Google. So in this role, she is responsible for leading a global team across the enterprise.
Focused on bringing an inclusive work environment as a competitive advantage to help our employees feel that they can be their true self at work.
I think it's so important that we empower our employees to allow them to understand how to advocate and how to drive sustainable actions within their businesses and their countries.
That we ensure that our leaders are accountable and understand, but that also our employees and our Googlers feel the engagement and feel the opportunity to help share their experiences.
How are we ensuring that our aspirations and our ambitions through racial equity commitments really come to have the impact that we want?
Be challenging, be the one that's going to say, question, and call the behavior out on the table. And I think that courage has to be one for your own self, not allowing yourself to feel that you have to be silent because you want to comfort others around you, but recognizing that not being silent, being courageous actually can facilitate the growth, the insights, and really the transformation that others around you will have.